Welcome back to Blockchain Pill. My name is Alex, and today we'll see what's been going on in the ICP ecosystem the previous week. It's safe to say that liquidity is finally coming to the ICP ecosystem, and we're seeing multiple SNS projects getting listed on major centralized exchanges. On top of that, liquid staking protocols are beginning to take the lead inside the ICP ecosystem, providing massive APYs while keeping your tokens liquid. We are literally witnessing the beginning of a huge DeFi ecosystem on the Internet Computer Protocol. Staking isn't new on ICP. It has been here since the very beginning, because by staking your ICP inside the NNS, you get a say in what happens with the whole network. ICP functions like a massive DAO, and everybody who stakes their tokens inside the NNS receives voting rewards for every vote that they do. We have an ICP staking video tutorial, very short tutorial that you can check out here if you are interested. And of course, we have one of the OG SNS projects that is leading the way once again. I'm talking about Openchat. It got listed on 4 major exchanges with daily volumes ranging from hundreds of millions of dollars to billions of dollars in some cases. So those exchanges are LBank, CoinStore, Bitmart, and BitTrue. And what I think is gonna happen in the future, other SNS projects are gonna follow the lead of Openchat and start to get listed on centralized exchanges, which will bring the much needed liquidity and visibility to ICP ecosystem tokens. And we can see here that this is actually happening right now. Kinic and Decide AI are also gonna get listed on BitTrue alongside Openchat. So this is absolutely the beginning of DeFi on the Internet Computer Protocol. So load up your bags with your favorite ICP SNS projects, because this train is gonna leave the station very soon. You don't wanna lose this train and then look back in a couple of years saying that, man, I was in the ICP community for so many years. Why didn't I invest in my favorite SNS projects? And my rule of thumb is, if you use a product from one project, for example, Openchat, I'm pretty sure that everybody in the ICP community is using the Openchat platform, you may as well invest in the token and ride alongside it. We're gonna have a look at Water Neuron and some of its achievements. Water Neuron was the 10th fastest growing protocol with over $1 million in total value locked in the previous 24 hours across every chain. I'm not exactly sure where this list comes from, but it's not a small achievement to be in the top 10 largest gainers from all chains. So we're talking here about giants like Solana, Ethereum, AVAX. We see finally one ICP project being in the top 10, which is incredible. And let's have a look now at the platform itself, WaterNeuron.fi. Over 130,000 ICP has been staked into the protocol with an incredible APY, almost close to 15% APY, which is about the API that you get by staking your ICP into the NNS, and you're staking it for 8 years. Here you are staking it for 6 months, but you also receive an ICP, which is part of the liquid staking platform, which is incredible. And you can take this NICP and you can buy ICP meme tokens or other ICP tokens in general, invest in other projects, and you get the best of both worlds. Now let's have a look at what Dfinity and Dominic Williams have been up to. Dominic Williams, the founder and chief scientist of Dfinity, will be speaking at Coinfest Asia 2024. The conference is gonna happen in August on 22nd and 23rd in Bali. So if you are in Bali or attending this festival, make sure you go there and, meet and talk to Dominic Williams as well as to the Dfinity team. They will be present there. The first images from Bitcoin Nashville, the massive Bitcoin conference that happened last week, are finally out. And here's a sneak peek from the Dfinity booth, the Chain Fusion booth. This is the Motoko Ghost, the mascot of ICP. They also had a booth there. People that were present here, they got to meet the Dfinity team. Let's see some more images. And here we have Kyle Langham, who took the stage at Building on BTC, and he highlighted the transformative power of chain fusion and exploring the future of Bitcoin. I didn't see the keynote, but I think it will appear very soon. So this is super cool to see the Dfinity team going all over the place, attending every crypto conference and letting people know what ICP does and the solutions that it can offer to scale other chains. We have a massive update from the Dfinity team here. The Deuterium Milestone enters beta with the rollout of the Threshold Schnorr test key. This upgrade enhances ICP's cross-chain capabilities, allowing Canister to sign taproot transactions and more. Right now, this is in the test phase, which means that in the near future, it will go live. ckUSDT, the digital twin of the largest stablecoin, is now live on ICP. Let's have a look at the Internet Computer dashboard. We can see there is currently 250,000 ckUSDT on the Internet Computer Protocol. And if you want to mint or trade ckUSDT, you can do it on the main decentralized exchange on the Internet Computer Protocol. ICP Swap offers the ability to mint and dissolve ckUSDT. The second ICP Hubs Global Townhall has concluded, and although there was a little bit of drama, in the end it was a successful event, and over 30 hubs from 30 different countries got together and created 13 spaces over the span of 24 hours where they talked about Web3 and how ICP plays a massive role in the adoption of Web3. I think this was a successful event, and you can listen to all the spaces. The link is going to be in the description below. The Openchat team also enabled a proof of unique personhood verification in collaboration with Decide AI. By verifying your personhood, you get access to certain gated communities as well as a blue verification tick next to your name. I didn't do my personhood verification yet, but I think we are gonna see a lot of blue check marks on Openchat very soon. And I assume that most airdrops happening on Openchat are gonna be in those gated communities, just so that you make sure the airdrop goes to a real person instead of, random spam accounts that are just there to participate and steal basically those airdrops. As mentioned earlier, more and more SNS projects are getting listed on centralized exchanges, and here we see Kinic, another OG SNS projects on the Internet Computer Protocol, is gonna be the first ICP SNS DAO listed on a massive exchange, on MEXC. Seeing an SNS project getting listed on a top tier exchange is great news. And as I mentioned, more SNS projects will follow suit, and liquidity is gonna flow inside the ICP ecosystem. So great job, Kinic. We have a massive list of updates from the #1 decentralized exchange on the Internet Computer Protocol, ICP Swap. They announced that the info page will now show the average 24-hour APR for the liquidity pools. This will give you a better idea of the APR that you will receive for creating liquidity pairs. They also added multiple filters on the wallet page. This is very important. The price impact is now highlighted in different colors based on the magnitude of the impact. And in crypto, we know people lose a lot of money when they trade just because they don't pay enough attention to slippage. And now this is gonna be an extra layer of safety for people trading on a decentralized exchange. There's some improvements with transaction history. It's really nice seeing an ICP DEX that is taking it seriously and is helping the DeFi ecosystem on the Internet Computer. And finally, let's have a look at the ICP price and where we are sitting right now. We got a very beautiful bounce here from the $6 range, and the price is now consolidating at just over $9. I think with the DeFi boom that is brewing in the ICP ecosystem, the ICP token price is gonna skyrocket in the coming months. When we manage to break this local high here at $20, $21, I think that we're gonna test the $38, and I think that ICP is looking better and better with each passing week. And we're gonna have a very strong bull run in late 2024 and in 2025. So those were the news from last week. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.